What's up, people? Okay, wait. Perry's found danger somewhere. Many dangers, many woof. Many dangers, many a whiff. Okay, but here we go. Just gonna quickly stickly do this. Obi2, what's up? Mark, hi, and Snippies. How are you guys? Okay, sorry, Perry's clearly having a bit of an opinion about all of this today. How is everyone? Boom, what's up? What's up, Boom? Why are you crying? Why are you sad? What happened? Perry. You guys can witness the chaos that is me. Geordie, what's up? I'm good, guys. I am good. I cannot complain. Let's do this. We are ready and steady, I think. We're okay. Oh, good grief. Anyways, sorry. My OBS updated and it hurt my brain. Hey Lance, well I just hopped on, so nothing super duper exciting just yet. I see that New York PM after I left, literally nothing else. I mean, it moved a little bit there, but apart from that, yeah. New York session is my daddy. How? Did daddy hurt you? I'm kidding, I'm kidding. I'm so sorry. That was the dark humor coming. I'm so sorry. That was a little bit out of pocket. Anyways, Fish Doctor, what happened? Fish Doctor, yeah, you good? What happened? Why do you say that? I'm so sorry. I low-key wanna laugh my head off at that. Bad Maya, can't make sad jokes like that. Daddy loves me. Oh, okay, just checking. Shrimp since 8 p.m. Price action looking pretty bullish tonight. How's the pup? I mean, as you can hear, he won't shut up. I don't know what he's seeing. Maybe I should go check that out. Yeah, it'll be fine. I see. What the heck, man? After yesterday's yucky price action, this is now just going, okay, cheers, people. Have fun. See you later. Quick sticks marking all my tings. Okay. Here he is! Here he is! What's up, Debbie? Oh my goodness, look! Look, there's a poop. Hello, little pup. They say you're a puppy. You're a puppy. Yeah. Do you want to show them how teeny tiny you are? I don't think he's gonna do it today. I just have a feeling. Hey, Alex. I'm out of sweeties. There's some little dregs. I'm gonna have to get you more sweeties. Oh my gosh, that is disgusting. I'm so sorry. I need to be a better mother. Good boy. Now you guys can see how big he is. Kip. Yep, okay, maybe not. Yeah, people want to see. Okay. What type of dog do I have? He is a rescue. So he is, take your pick. I mean, he has adorable little white feet. All 4 feet are white. All little full paws. The fuse metal, there's so much to calculate, yet it boils down to up or down. Yeah, obviously. No, and sideways. And sideways. Don't forget sideways, Fish Doctor. Just... I was just saying how cute you were. Don't come here making noise. Honestly. Still adorable though, but shush. Okay. Let's quickie stickies do this. Yes, quickie stickies. Nobody judge me. That's not what I wanted. There we go. So... Okay, New York high has already been taken. Definitely. Okay, let's do pivot points. Okay. Here. Good grief. Periwinkle. Stop. I'm actually going to draw them to that point and this point. Oh, and there's relative equality here. Good grief, the sell side liquidity do be real today. That being said, I really thought that we would be bearish yesterday, but that just did not happen, so I was convinced. I mean, I guess it eventually went... It was more bear than bull yesterday if we're looking at the chart that barely moved during New York. Thank you, Debbie. I see. I got it. I got it. Ooh, do I like hip? To be fair, so I kind of like all music. I am very much a, yeah, all music type of person. I forgot to mark this as midnight. Okay, now we are ready steady. No, that's a lie. We're not ready steady. Do you know why we're not ready steady? Because we have yet to go and check the higher time frames. Let's check the daily and whatnot. Grand Rising, I kind of love that. What's up, Sav? How you doing? Hammer, what? And Jamal, hi, hi. 33 viewers, 3 likes, bad ratio. Oh, you guys not like me? Okay, I'm sorry, I'll be better. It's because I didn't get Perry more treats, isn't it? Okay, I get it, I will just have to be better. I will just be a better... Oh, no. Okay. Back in this range. Is it gonna keep going up? Is it just popping back into the range? I mean, there's this imbalance down here that I would be keen on. I mean, there's these two that it could take out. 216 and 247. I'm still super curious about this imbalance over here. Hey Kemla, what's up? Like that. Thanks, Jordy. No, you guys are such sweetie pies. Okay, so that's the daily. Let's check. Oh, good grief. How was everyone's... Okay, wait. Let's maybe ask this. Who traded yesterday and how was it? Apart from you, Fish Doctor, I get it. You're a cool kid. You had a great day. Just, I'm being salty because I'm low-key jealous. It sounds amazing. I didn't take any trades yesterday, thank heavens, because yesterday was good. Especially for my way of trading. I know everyone has a different strategy and different things work. I've not pressed the button yet. Nice. Might you ever consider switching to minis before it's too low? Switch to minis, it made me very cautious, but you're actually pretty careful. Ah, thanks lots. Yeah, no, I low-key treat this like it's normal. So, okay, wait, sorry. I was looking at something. I think there's actually just like the garbage guy here picking up today. I think that's what he's going. Ooh, wait. Here. 512. 512 could be a point of interest. Tapping into this inverse fair value gap on the 4 hour. Okay, 512. I mean, there is still a bunch of unmitigated stuff down to the bill side, but I mean, bear side. If I could get out of this range, I would be, oh, so happy, but alas. Earwax. I took 3 trades, and how was it, Obito? Hey, Mr. Pix, how we doing? I took a trade, went well, got back up to 50k for my Apex account. Jordy, well done. That's amazing. I'm tardy to class. What's my punishment? 50 push-ups. You didn't see that coming, did you? Kobe, what's up? For open was boring. Oopsies. They all went well. Nice. Okay, wait. I'll do whoop-de-whoop-de-whoops for everybody soon. Whoop whoops coming soon. And there's this fair value gap here as well, but it has been tapped into already, so maybe this could just continue back up to here. I still quite like the let's say 512 level. Let's see. Okay, that's the 1 hour. Let's check the 15-minute. Okay, don't zoom out too much now. Let's focus on the smaller level. $946. Potentially tap back into this chaos. I'm still shocked it has not come to fill the new weekly open. No, sorry, this is the new daily opening gap. That's Tuesday's new daily opening gap. Hasn't filled the new weekly opening gap either, to be fair. That's why I'm shocked. I was bearish for this week. I don't know about you guys, but I was very much bearish for this week, and it's just gone. Psych. Just chilling so far, up 400. Nice. Chad, good morning. Good morning. Wait. Okay.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Alex, that was so smooth. Good grief. Sorry, I just... Okay, well there's the 5 minute. Back to the 1 for me. If it can focus, there we go. Okay. Let's put all the chaos back on. Oh, please give us something good today. Please give us something good today. Please give us something good today. Yep. I'm keeping an eye out for some very specific things today. Okay, let's see. They all went well. Oh, wait. Sorry, one more thing before I focus up. Whoop whoop for anyone that had winning trades yesterday. Seriously, well done, because yesterday was not the easiest day. Well, for a few people, I know yesterday was not the easiest day. So seriously, well done. Just chilling. I'm on the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. Took my first loss in 2 weeks today. Damn, Kobe. Sucks to be you. I got excited because I had a first partial win in like 2 weeks the other day. Oh, that's interesting. Thanks. I take the chance. Hey Logan, what's on? Any gains? No gains yet. I've just hopped on. I am in drawdown. This is my first funded account, so I'm not, I'm not afraid to admit that I'm in drawdown. Like I said, this is a very open, honest channel. Y'all want the raw truth of what trading as a beginner looks like. It's this. It's chaotic. I am chaos. But I have levels marked, but I focus on the day. I like that, Hammer. I like that. Explore. What do I do for entertainment? Oh, I go outside and... Well, I go outside. I ride my horses. If I'm not doing that, I'm probably sitting on Netflix or playing Xbox. Yeah. Or going for a run. I do enjoy my runs. Is this your first eval? Not my first eval, it's my first funded. So I guess first ever path eval? Right? He's trying to make deal with China again. If they come to agreement, it'll lift restriction on export ban and tariff strategy in the last couple of days. They must be working something out. Ooh, interesting. Okay. Won my trade. Mr. Pitts, whoop whoop. I haven't opened because I took no trades yesterday, Explorer. Like I said, I've only been trading for 11 months, but I am well aware of when the market conditions are not conducive with my... Try to use big fancy words. Are not conducive with my strategy. Logan lost 250 overnight. Have you ever heard about prop firms, Logan? Just out of curiosity. I'm assuming you lost 250 of your own money. Yes? No? Maybe? The Edit Hub. What's up? What do I play on Xbox? I've currently been playing Fable on Xbox. Good fun. Good fun. Or I played Tina's Tiny Wonderland. Oh, shoot, what else? I have the Lego games as well, like Lego Harry Potter and Lego Pirates of the Caribbean. They are so funny. The single hiccup came from a drunk sailor, an old school cartoon. Yep. Good luck. I'm not far ahead of you. Live and learn, but it does get better. Oh, thank you. How long have you been trading for, Stefan? Stefan. Oh, it's definitely Stefan. I'm sorry. I always blow it once I pass the EVA. How many have you, if you don't mind me asking, you don't obviously have to tell me, but I'm curious, how many have you blown? Nah, they stay at a stable yard, Mr. Pix, so I have to drive to the stables. So no, they don't stay on my property. Unfortunately, they used to when I was younger. We used to own like a plot of land, and then the horses would stay with us, but no more. Sorry, I've been chit-chatting away. Let's mark out the 3 AM open. I know it's not London open yet before I get yelled at. Good grief. Let's see here. Okay, wait to see what we get. The Edit Hub, I have not taken a trade yet today. No, I've only been on for 17 minutes. Yes, I have no idea what I was doing. Oh, there we go. There we go. Logan, have you done some more research and stuff or not really? Have you just kind of started getting back into the plan, or what's the plan? If you don't mind. Do I play with friends? No, not really. I've blown 3. That's not bad though. Oh, thanks, son. I think. Thanks, son. Someone said they blew 300 accounts yesterday. Yeah. Someone said 300 accounts. I know Debbie, sorry, I keep using you as a reference. I apologize. I know Debbie said she blew 9 before she got her first payout. I know someone else said that they blew like 20 or something ridiculous. So, you know, that's why I said I'm going to keep trying. It's not lost yet. It's close to being lost, but it's not lost yet. I think that's the point. And then the plan is, well, this was a nice rejection offer there. See if it continues further down though. Plan is to try and get it back to life and see if I can save it. That do be the plan. I need to learn how to get so for setups. I can't see the patterns yet. Oh, interesting. Logan, you know what? At the end of the day, you just have to trade something that makes sense to you. I think that's it. If it makes sense to you, awesome. Because there's a lot of people that use a lot of different things. None are wrong. None are wrong. I think the only important thing is that it makes sense to you and you can see it. Like, I'm very much aware of the W and the M patterns and blah, blah, blah. Am I good at seeing them? Absolutely not. I cannot see those patterns. I am shocking at those. I'm not afraid to admit it. They just, I don't know, it just doesn't click. Maybe that's it. Because I can see it once it's happened. I go, ah, but do I see it forming? Not really. Not really. TY guy, what's up? I've blown 6 accounts and finally passed my evolve last week. Yeah! TY guy, well done! Which platforms? I'm currently on TradingView. I'm with Top One Futures for now. If I blow this account, if I blow this account, I will be going over to Tradeify though. But anyways. What's a hi live? How have you been? Fahrenheit, what's up? You got this. Either way, you'll definitely get there. Thank you, Debbie. I think the only feel was it was all day thing. I work nights. Logan, where are you from? I think I get too excited once I pass because I keep thinking this is it. This is my payout account. Jordy, yeah. You almost have to, I mean, it's so much easier said than done. I understand that, but you almost have to be like, this is just another eval. You almost have to treat your funded like another eval. That's at least what I keep trying to tell myself. YouTube, your chocolate live trading. Really? That's so cool. Apparently, I'm top recommended in live trading. What? That doesn't sound right. I feel like this is valid right now. Okay then. Anyways. Follow small strategy from number and follow JD as far as price action email. I could vaguely see a setup, but doubt. Yes. We'll just keep grinding. Here we go. What am I trading now? Nasdaq futures. What's micros to be specific? Okay, thanks for the advice, man. I'll keep that in mind once I pass this account. Again, like I said, Geordie, like I said, I need to start practicing what I preach because I mean I am like swaddling this little fund account. Like, you're okay, you're okay, you're gonna live. Yeah, but it is what it is, right? You only learn from doing. I think that's the thing with trading. You can't learn from watching, unfortunately. You learn from doing, which is what makes it difficult. Noob question, but what's the bottom limit for blowing an account? That's not a noob question. Well, it depends. It depends on which account, but in general, for 50k accounts, again, in general, it's different per prop firm, but in general, for 50k accounts, it's $2,000. So yes, so you start with 50k and you're allowed to go down to 48k, so $2,000 drawdown. Thanks, TY guy. Long ES, think it's going up again. Ooh, okay. One life, one fire. It low-key looks like Asia moved and now wait, but then it might chill until 4. Maybe 4 we get something good. We're only 13 minutes in, nothing much has happened. Apart from hiccups. But nothing much has happened right now. Who was judging my hiccup just now? Epic scene. Okay, I just had a realization yesterday. I don't even have a consistent account. Keep blowing. But I need to ask you what you think. What is market condition? For me, personally, market conditions are very tricky recently with all the drama going on in the world. But that's just me personally. I know some people that, but I think at the end of the day, I can't exactly be like, oh, the markets are amazing, or oh, the markets suck, because it all depends on your strategy. My terrible market conditions could be someone else's, this is my favorite price action in the world. So it's a little bit, yeah, it's a little bit of a tricky question to ask. Recommendations for beginner on platforms and brokers. Logan, just personally, I think platforms, TradingView, it's very like beginner friendly, I believe. Could be a little bit laggy here and there, but it's very beginner friendly. Like, it's super easy to handle. Like, it's not overwhelming. Some of the charts that you're on and you're like, I have no idea what's going on. This is pretty standard, if you will. And brokers, Logan, have you heard about prop firms? Yes or no? Hey, today. So this is not a currency. This is the Nasdaq futures over here. With it. welcome, welcome. Feels like yesterday's PA. No, Debbie, don't do that. Don't be a Debbie Downer. Gosh, I need to stop being so cringe. Anyways. Do it. You blow up this account, you'll lose 2k. No, if I blow up this account, you lose nothing, Explorer. Looks like London will give speed. I do not could use a donut right now. I do not like these WikiWiks going on right now. Drive with your gun, what's up? How you doing? Did you go hands off for the rest of yesterday, by the way? Eddie teased me about my haircut. Where's Eddie? I feel like that deserves now like 50 burpees. Any bets for today? Right now, no. This is going sideways. I'm hoping for a little bit more oomph, maybe later. But I mean, so far this has not moved. This has not moved. We've been here for literally, oh, 25. First buy stock place. Interesting. Yes, I do prop trade. Jazz, what's up? Logan, okay, and what are your thoughts on props? I personally would recommend a prop just because it saves your capital. But that's just my opinion. I know people have different opinions. I think props work for me. I think it would be too much pressure if I had to use like my own capital trading live. The props almost give you a cushion. So it takes that little bit of pressure off. I mean, there's still pressure. You still want to earn, you still want to go. But yeah, just for me, in my opinion, right? I know everyone is different. Everyone trades differently. You do you. As long as it works for you, you do you, Cupcake. I'm out break even. Dropped too fast for me. Ah, 1 life, 1 five, but that's okay. Epic C. It's consolidating, 100%. How much did you spend to buy this funding fund? Wouldn't you lose it all? Yeah, you would, Explorer, but it's part of it. Okay, first buy stock place, nice. What do I trade? I trade the Nasdaq futures. What's up? I heard of it, but I'm unsure of how it works and such. Logan, do you want help with it? Yes or no? If you do, let me know. If you have Discord, you can pop me a message in Discord and I can show you. Obviously, it's completely up to you. But if you do, just let me know. I'll be happy to help. What's up, Gojo? You're from India? That's so cool. We had pump during Asia yesterday when dead for London open, push pre New York, then dead New York open. Okay, New York afternoon. What? You thought New York afternoon was okay? Oh, I guess it did move down a little bit more properly and then it died here. Simon, I'm currently using top 1 futures. Sorry, fishing just released a shark. Oh, that's cool. What's up, David? How you doing? I got 14 points on the way up the last few hours. Nice. You know, it would be like a trading house where a bunch of traders pitch up for trading daily. Hammer, can you imagine? But can you also imagine the chaos? I feel like there'll be a lot of emotions in one room. Be it happy or sad, there will be a lot of emotions. Maybe one day. Hammer, you up for Joburg side, right? Gauteng. Yes, no, maybe? What can I say? The hiccup with sugar and spice and everything. Nice. Eddie. Logan, yeah, literally. Pop me a message in Discord. The link is in the description of this video currently. What asset am I trading? Simon, I'm trading Nasdaq futures. Micros, to be fair. So the symbol is MNQ. Sorry, I'm not doing anything just yet until we get some movement. Hey, shout out to David for the dono. David now gets fireworks. But you get special treatment if you don't know. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Fireworks. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. I'm very aware that was cringe, 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 but here we are. What am I doing? What's up with? Oh, that is Baby Shark. That is adorable. Explorer, why don't you explain to us clearly how the proper work and how much to pay for how many days? Oh, okay. Well, there's a lot. Let's. It depends on the prop firm. That's the problem. There's so many different accounts that you can get, and like, I mean, especially like Tradeify Select, I think is so cool. I really want to get a Tradeify Select account. I just can't take ages to pass. So if you're really good at passing evals quickish, it does have a consistency rule for the eval. But yeah, if you're relatively good at passing evals quick, I would definitely say the Tradeify Select. You can get daily or every 5-day payouts. How cool would daily payouts be? Let's just, anyway, sorry. But I think that's for when I'm a little bit better and more consistent. But essentially, depending on which prop firm, there's the eval stages you pay per month, and it kind of resets per month. So even if you blow it, if you wait until the month end or whenever you purchased it, it will reset again. So it kind of just keeps resetting. So even if you've blown it, it'll reset. Obviously, there's a monthly charge. Then depending on the prop firm, either there's, so once you've passed, then either you have an activation fee or not. So I know Tradeify doesn't have an activation fee, but Top One does and Violin does. So they have activation fees. The difference is per month, they are cheaper. Where Tradeify is a little bit more expensive per month, but there's no activation fee. So again, you kind of have to weigh up if you are quick at passing evals or not. Once you've passed your eval, you do not pay a monthly fee anymore. And then there's just, maybe there's rules, like I know I have a consistency rule. I have to be trading a minimum of 10 days, already done that, so that's fine. And a consistency rule of 25%. Yes, it was 25%. Yeah, and I must get 6% of the funded, so I need to reach 53k, 53, before I can get a payout. But again, it all depends on the prop firm. So I'm being very general about it, but yes, it all depends on which prop firm. So you're gonna have to be like a little bit more specific about like which prop firm, do you want activation fee or not, consistency rules. Like I said, the Tradeify Select, there's a consistency rule for the eval, but that is because you can then get daily and you only need 2,500 to pass instead of 3,000 to pass, which is also really cool. But the drawdown stays 2,000. So the drawdown and the pass is nearly exactly the same, which I think is amazing. Sorry, I just really like it. That's why I'm talking it up slightly. Discord? Who put Discord there? Oh, Logan? Must I pop the Discord link? So the account depends on whether you buy 50, 150. Exactly, thank you. I was good God, I thought I joined a prop firm challenge. Turns out it's a psychological endurance test. That is hilarious. Hammer, yep, I'm here, Pretoria. Ooh, Hammer, there we go. Then it's possible. There's a few South African traders that side of the world. I might be headed back up that side of the world, and then we could. It's only cringe if you care. If you don't care, everything is nothing. There we go. Lucid is another good prop firm with their rules. There we go, Kobe. Like I said, unfortunately in South Africa we can't trade Lucid. But yeah. Am I consistently profitable? No. What broke us? I'm currently using Top One futures. Just message. Your name is Garden on Discord. Thank you, Logan. Just make sure it was you. Yeah, I see a request. Yeah, 'tis you. I'll wave. Okay, we finally got some movement. Awesome sauce. Let's see if this is now going to continue or not. Let's see how it rejects or reacts off of this level here. Alex, my usual strategy is the Lagan box. Would look like this if I thought it was going to continue lower down. Top of the range, bottom of the range, 50% would be entry. Yeah, would need 3 or more confluences as a heck yeah, this is going to work or not. I don't like that it kind of bounced off of there. So this could start going back up. What does this look like on the 5-minute though? Ooh, oh no. I know this is just kind of opened, but this wiki word over here. Anyways. This could be that shoot up. Wait, Hammer, is this where you placed your buy limit? Let's go. Oh, this price action is beautiful. Wait, there is news today. There is news today. I kind of forgot about that, not gonna lie. It makes sense. This could be garbage. Let's see. I think Logan... No, he did message me, don't worry. I just double checked in case. Logan, I waved at you, you good. Hit me. Confirm. Hey Morgan, what's up? How are we doing? No, Logan, no. This is okay. Okay. While I wait for this, quickly see something that's not ideal. 1, 2. Oh no, but there's an even bigger imbalance up there. I was gonna say actually, but let's wait for more confirmation before we do dumb things. I've learned my lesson. Could just be spiking out of the range before it goes back up to continue. Okay, so let's wait for more confirmation before I jump into anything. Anyways, so what I was saying, anyone that is new. Hi. Wait, actually, let's make this more personal. Give me a second. There we go. Anyone that is new, what's up? I am Maya. Welcome. Sweet and simply, I started trading live, well, kind of to have a visual journal to be able to look back and look at how I used to trade and go, oh my gosh, which I have done, by the way, terrifying. If you want to see some cringe stuff, go see some of those first ever videos I posted. It is, yeah, not great. Literally, the first trade I ever took was live. So when I started this, it was more to do with the fact that I kind of wanted a live journal, and I thought, you know, I've heard that trading can be boring. Maybe I can make it a little bit more fun. Maybe you guys can make it a little bit more fun, and I can get help along the way while I'm figuring things out. And then all of you guys came, and you guys have taught me so much. And then I realized that, unfortunately, trading is definitely lacking some loving communities. Seriously. There can be some really nasty people out there for literally no good reason, but you know, each their own. And then this basically just became a safe space and a safe community. Everyone has different strategies, everyone trades different assets, everyone does different things, but because we see things differently, we actually help each other out, which I think is amazing, because maybe someone uses a similar strategy but they realize something else works and they pass along that information, and now all of a sudden everyone's like, oh, that is amazing. Like Bob with his Bob levels. Have I shown you guys the gold rush? Not yet. It's a free indicator he literally made for you guys. So yeah, what started as kind of a live journal kind of became an amazing community, and that's what I want, basically a safe space where we can learn and grow together. And I just want us to be part of the 5%ers, right? You know, 95% of people who trade don't make it. I want us all to be the 5%ers that make it in this. 5%ers, let's go. And that's it. And the only way to do that is with support and love. I know that sounds very cliche, but to be able to know, like, I'm not the only one that's now struggling with my first funded. Like everyone said, like they got funded and they blew it. It makes me feel better. I don't feel like such a failure. It makes me be like, it's fine. Keep going, keep pushing through, and you'll make it to the other side. If I did not have you guys, I probably would have been like, cool, you know what? Clearly I suck at this. But yeah, sorry, that was my little moment over. We can go back to watching the chart wiggles. What kind of lesson am I going to learn here? The lesson of being a good human being. I'm fine building my funded account. Want to hit the 10k to pay out 5k. Oh, Morgan, that's awesome. Jimmy, what's up? You seem like a very sweet person. Oh, thanks, Hayden. Go over level 5 lesson crash course. They're very rude out there. They really are, Hammer. They're so, like, nasty. I'm like, that's so unnecessary. Anyways, command strategy. Can you explain what indicators you use to signal a buy-in? Oh, Jimmy, you're gonna hate me. I don't really use indicators. Haters be hating when they see me rolling. Aw, thanks, Lance. Everyone is chill and respectful here. Yep. Hey, physics educator, how can I learn from you? What exactly do you want to learn? I think maybe that's the next question, because it's not like I am doing absolutely amazing right now, but I am learning, and I am getting better every day. Slowly but surely. Learning new things, seeing things differently. Ooh. Like, for example, I'm curious about this. Let's see if I placed it like this. Basically there. Holy guacamole. Why does this not look right? That could be nearly a 5-hour trade. Let's see. I'm not taking this. This is a strategy I'm forward testing. Remember those bob levels I was talking about? So there would have been, again, price action's not ideal. This very easily could be a losing trade. But let's see. Yep, so my strategy, my normal one, would not have worked here. My strategy is the GAN box. So that would have hit stop loss. That's not what I wanted. Okay, you. That would have been the entry. On the 5-minute, it's okay. It's a really nice doji. Put it at the top of the doji. Let's see how it reacts. This is massive. Let's bring this back. I guess I did make the stop loss quite tight, so you could maybe make it... There. Still 4.15 odd trade down. Paper cuts to my first funded blue. That's all learning experience, no biggie. Maybe try to have multiple funded accounts before risking anything. Lots, I remember you mentioned that. I was like, it's not a bad idea. Have you ever checked out the TradingView chat fights gang? No? Mr. Fix, you got a trade now? Long or short? Okay, what was going on? Seconds, you knew what was going on. Last time I'm coming with nukes. 3rd time's the charm. Looks like the middle of the M forming. Yeah. Oh, maybe. Let's see. I'm also looking for buys. Interesting. There we go. I know Hammer's also looking for buys. What's up, Sham? Long time no see. How goes it? How goes it? No. Like I said, I'm forward testing this. I am not convinced it works as well on London. I mean, it does. It's just super slow, and I think your stop loss has to be a buttload larger. So probably back to like the middle portion here. But this is why I forward test, right? Gotta forward test this, see how it works out. Like I said, my strategy here now would have top wicked me. How did I have it? Yeah. Mother Fluffer would have top wicked me. Rude. Hey bro, what's up? Place my order out of welding. Real Zach, you're cooked. I'm not in this trade. A buttload. Wait, I'm from South Africa. What's up? Okay. There we go. No way. No way what? There we go. Problem solved. This is not a cooking show, Zach. No cooking. Sorry. Sorry, that I wasn't expecting that. That was that was amazing. There we go. Just admiring the accent. I'm from Memphis. That is so cool. What's up? Memphis. Oh, great. Thanks. That sure song is now gonna be share. Sure. Share. Share. That's now gonna be stuck in my head. Long way from South Africa. Probably know where you're from, South Africa. Yeah, I'm from South Africa. Why? Just press buy. Flash Golden. You funny. Just mark it in. Screw it. Bit of a rejection offer there. Why is it so slow today? OTT, what's up? How you doing? Anyone seeing this? OTT, it's not looking great, not gonna lie. Hey Elite, I'm not in this trade. I almost thought that joke was well done. You know, I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed, but it does deserve this.
Nice.
It was deserved. It was well deserved. Hey, the crowd, what's up? Ba-bam. You should have a chat account so people in chat could tell you when to enter and exit. JJ, I hear you, but no, that's putting a lot of faith in people. Okay, how do I put this? How do I put this? No, that was the wrong way of saying it. I want to learn how to trade myself. So if you're saying do this and this and this, you have to tell me what you are looking at, not just do this and this and this. You aren't learning anything from that. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. Yes, no, maybe. I spent the whole night working on my own trade copy and not as easy as one would think. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, OTT, London is London's going, I mean, slowly down, but still sideways. This price action's making me sad. What time is the news today? 2:30. 3:45. Shoot. Okay. And then later in the afternoon. I mean, we would have some, so that's... Yeah, okay, let's see. I am from South Africa with it. My favorite trader streamer crushes online and I'm like, a.a.a. What's up? How are you? Can I ask why you're looking to trade this? Did you see something today, yesterday, and setting up for today? Or is this your normal? Oh, Logan, so remember the Bob Devils I was talking about? So this is why I said I'm forward testing them. I'm not amazing at them yet. I'm not amazing yet. Yet being the keyword. But sweet and simply, do you see these faded areas here and here? These are the levels that tend, not always, don't get me wrong, but tend to get respected quite well. You can see here it tends, again, tends being the keyword, to go level to level. Obviously, if the volume's not there, the volume's not there. Like I forward tested yesterday, had some decent push and then failed. Same thing here, and then it eventually did come to go level to level, and then it went actually level, failed again, but then back up. That's why I said not everything is 100%, but if you know what you're looking for, which is why I'm forward testing, because I need to make sure that I know exactly what I'm looking for before I just hop into things. But again, that's why we forward test, we don't just jump in. It's slow today because FOMC is there today. I got some money writing calls. Yeah. Samsung says, I bet you it's short. What asset is this? What's that? Crypto futures? This is the Nasdaq futures. Not surprised FOMC didn't name you. So you count that way. You have to place your trades according to your strategy, and there's nothing wrong. Emma, recently it has not been working out. I shall be taking the day off watching anime and coding at the same time. Ooh, OTT, which anime are you watching? Happy Saturday, alright. Good morning. What's up, Mr. Chaos? Wow, lots of news, nice trading. We are very different people, son. I collect data. That's yes. No, I am OTT. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Yes, Dad. Yes, Dad. No grief. Yes, Father. Ronnie, what's up? Is this your funded account? Yes. JJ it is. Time will tell. Thank you, Logan. You are correct, sir. I mean, it worked to pass the funded, but like I said, I'm not making excuses, people. I'm not making excuses. It could very well be the brain, but when I got the funded, I had like 2 or 3 wins, and then it just went downhill, literally. So like I said, it could be psychological. It could also be the fact that, unfortunately, around the exact same time I passed my eval and got my funded is when all the drama started happening in the world. All the political drama started happening in the world. Like I said, I'm aware it kind of sounds like an excuse. Maybe it is an excuse, but yes. Could just mean that the markets have changed and you have to adapt with the markets. The markets don't change for you. Huh, look at it go. Hey, what's up? Something like that, or... OTT, have you watched Delicious in Dungeon? I've done that many times over the years. It's normal, actually. Oh, thanks, Thomas. Does Futures have spread? It does have spread. Not as bad. I think Futures, if I'm not mistaken, has the best spread? One of the best spread. Yes? Is that correct? When I say the best spread, like the kindest. One of the kindest. You don't get as screwed by it. Well, they have a little one, like here. Oh, there it's at 0.50, 0.75, 0.50, 0.75. I think the most I've ever seen this go up is 1.00. I mean, on ES it's 0.25 right now, 0.25, still staying at 0.25. So it's an itty bitty little spread, but there is a spread. Diogo, what's up? Thanks, Logan. See? Denard, what's up? I'm doing well, can't complain. How's the markets treating you with not me. I like One Punch, but I don't know any others. Oh, Lance? Okay, wait, Lance, I'm gonna ask you a personal question. I hope it's okay. How old are you? So futures has 1 point spread most of the time, does widen during major news. Oh, thank you. How to calculate your risk? Say I want to risk 250 on a trade. You can literally see here. It actually shows you. So you say 250, so 6. Sounds like 8. Yeah, basically 8. Goes round down slightly, so 8 contracts. Ta-da. It kind of actually shows you here. Hope you can see that. So I normally risk, well, not recently because I've de-risked because things have been a bit scary. Oh yeah, I would either do 3 or 4 cons for this, maybe 4. I'm not doing this just before you all get excited, but that's how you can tell. It's quite nice. Yeah, woo woo woo. Oh, sorry, but this is specifically for trading view, by the way. Depends also what, yeah. Don't get me started on anime. I'm trying to learn. With London will be even better, the spread. Oh, nice. 10-point stop. Oh, with a set 10-point stop, you can actually, make one here. Oh, you can actually set it. There we go, 10 points. How many R's do you want? Let's just make it 1 to 2 R for now. So 10 contracts with a 10-point stop is $200. Net 15. So either 13 or 12. Yeah, 12 I guess would be better. 12 contracts with a 10-point stop. And then you can actually make this. Wait. You can actually make this a template, yep. And you can save it. See, I actually have a 0.5 TP, 10 points, 20 points. Yeah. Or some previous strategies I used to use. Buy entry, just tap. Nice, flash, okay. Oh, sorry, this is micros as well. I feel old. Maya is much younger. Not that much younger, let's just be real. Hey! And I'm making 1.5 approximately for a month, last 45 months. So I would say you're now profitable. Earth boss. Earth boss killed. Hey Nick, what's up? And House. Sorry, I didn't see you. How's it going, House? Black. Oh, okay. Interesting. Thanks. Very cool. So you're saying there's a chance, like, yes. You trade the 15-second time frame. Good grief. Ah, House, I'm good. I'm good. How's the trading been? Whoop. Okay, there it goes. That didn't retrace 50%, did it? Nope. After an intentional move down. 162 target and then runners. Ooh, nice. Okay. Okay, so that would not have worked. I'm going to see if it does turn around somewhere where stop loss should have maybe been. Hey, Coach Carter, what up? Young for beats? I have no idea. Oh, but I mean, I'll be online, but am I going to take a trade? Let's see. Just have to scale the planet to say hello. To Maya, no biggie. Lots. Oh, you're funny. Trading has been good. Slowly coming back. Nice. What do you mean slowly coming back? What happened, House? Price action looks clean on 15 seconds. Oh, wow. And I get so much. How do I put this nicely? I get so much cuck. Trading on the 1 minute. Sell side got triggered. Like I said, I'm still watching, waiting, coming, the rating. They ain't so damn it. Oh no, God, that's not gonna be stuck in my head. Yes, I like older music. I use 1 minute. No, stay away from FOMC. Or I'll probably just watch. Oh no, I actually won't be online during FOMC because that's at like 2:30 p.m. I'm only on at like 3:15 p.m. South Africa time. Oh, thanks, Lance. Diogo, have I received a payout from Violin? No, so I haven't used Violin. I don't think I've actually ever heard of anyone being denied a payout from Violin, to be fair. Watching the Nasdaq futures. What's up, real Zach? What's your question? I'm all ears. Eyes. I'm all eyes. I realized my mistake there. I can't hear you. I can see you though. That's weird. That's creepy. I'm sorry. That sounded very creepy. Okay. Let's look. That would not have worked. That would not have worked. That would not have worked. Shoot. Give me 2 seconds. Be right back. Did I miss anything? No, not really. Not really. Okay. Watching this, actually. Activation for 250 account is crazy though, yeah. Considering a short look at high time frame 1 hour and take a big picture. Activation for 250 account is crazy though, yep. Wow, candles, there we go. Hammer, careful, people will yell at you. Took my first payout earlier today, only had oh! Last, that is amazing, well done! That deserves a whoop whoop. If there was ever a whoop whoop, that was it. That was it, you get a whoop whoop. That is amazing. First ever payout. Doesn't matter how much or how little. I would be happy with like $5. I'd be like, average. Crazy win streak these past few weeks, so I'm sidelined till Thursday. That's not bad though, Thomas, to be fair. That's really not bad. Okay, so that would not have worked, but looking at this, that is a B setup. Maybe argue that there was the shelf here on the 5 minute that could have. No, not A plus. The problem is a slow movement like this does not offer me A plus setups. Again, this would have been a B. It would have worked, but it's not A plus. Ooh, down to the midpoint could be something here. Decent, decent. Top, I don't like that wick. No. Still not A plus. Better with regards to the stop loss, but not an A plus setup. How irritating. I like your chart, very clean. Oh, thank you. Oh, I've missed a lot. I'm so sorry. $5 is something to be happy about. Exactly, B2. It's amazing. I've nobody share my success with. No one in real life day trades at all. Everyone that knows I trade thinks I'm lazy, unemployed gambler. Oh, well, tell them. Go take your $150 and shove it in their face. Be like, oh yeah. Target 150. Like I said, this is not an A plus setup though. Can't tag it nothing. Can't tag it nothing. Was that even an accent from some? I don't even know where that came from. Anyways. Watch the bounce. Could you give a basic explanation on futures? Any pros, cons? Pros is the spreads are pretty nice. Actually, this is more of a question for the chat, if I'm being honest. Mostly because I started with futures. Futures is all I know. So, chat with regards to futures, because I don't now want to go and lie and be like, yeah, definitely. No, check it work. It only had 3 confluences though. 1, 2. I mean, 2 confluences was a B setup. Eh. Oh well, anyways. Chat futures, pros and cons. Would you ever short when you're inside a bubble level, or would you wait for the break below for it to be used as support for lower? OGT, to be fair, I was looking at this going a short to the midpoint of the bubble level might not be bad, because sometimes it gets drawn and then it bounces off of the midpoint. So short to the midpoint could actually be a way to go. And everyone's saying 150. I mean, the midpoint is very close to there. It could wick down slightly. So yeah, I probably would. No. Bless me, sorry. Volume river on the way up. It was so long away to Thomas, that is amazing. Down 150 targets, right? That's okay. Watch 150 level get hit. Your lyrics just about 10 plans to be profitable with pop room. The proper trader is in your favor. I'm going to try trader fight. Oh, Lance, you're so sweet. Like I said, Lance, seriously. I want to say it's a bit more expensive. I think they're pretty on par with everything else. The Tradeify Select, you can get daily or every 5-day payouts, and you only need 2,500 to pass the eval instead of 3,000, but the drawdown stays 2,000. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. The only thing with the daily is your max, the maximum that you can ask for payout daily is $1,000. I mean, anyways, sorry, so you could take like $500 every day. So I think it's so cool. If I was quicker at passing evals, so it does have a 40% consistency rule for the eval. Obviously, you know, they don't want you to just pass it in one day, or else they literally would make nothing. Understandable, you know, it is still a business for them. But a 40% consistency, I mean, you could still pass that in a few days. Easy. What? Like 3? Yeah. In like 3 days, you could pass it. That's not bad. Gosh. Sucks. Anyways. If you can pass the eval in like 3 days, then you're good to go. Then you can get daily payouts. Thank you, Eddie. Why you sound like XQC? What? Let me guess, your star sign is a Leo. No, it's not. Nice try though. So futures is regulated and simple. Forex is too scamish, so unregulated, and options too complicated in my opinion. Oh, thanks, Thomas. Futures easier to pass. CFDs are cheaper one-time payment. CFDs don't have consistency rules. Spreads of CFDs much better to limit. But they're not bad, just a few points off. Interesting. Debbie, you want to Discord on my channel? It's just Ashley. Hey, Soldier Boy, what's up? Wish we Apex in South Africa. I know. Oh. Wait, Diago, you're in South Africa? No, wait, you've told me that. Never mind. I don't know why I'm asking that. Basically. Yeah. 3-day minimum to pass eval, then you're good to go. And like I said, 2,500 per... Well, yeah, you only need 2.5 to pass the eval, whereas normally it's 3. So volume looks good at the moment. My bad, sorry. Sorry, Diego. Why have I been calling you Diago? Is it Diego or Diago? Have I completely butchered your name? How did I not know? Your surname is freaking Van Veek. Anyways, moving on, let's pretend I'm not a chop. Ooh. Hold the phone. Nope, that straight away would have been stop loss. Lol. Good rejection off of here. What does this look like on the 5 minutes? Sue, having a look here. Struggle to break below, would have gone back up. So this is what I mean by the forward testing. Maybe stop loss should have been at the center. Let's see if this goes all the way up now. I mean, good grief. Wait, what time is it? Oh, guys, it's 4. That makes sense. Guys. It's London open. Or London has been... Who knows? No, never mind. The 4 AM wasn't actually that amazing. It was a freaking doji. We like to dream. Okay, 4 AM. Drop down there. Wickless, interesting. Hammer, was that your indication to buy? If I'm understanding that correctly. It also depends where you are in the world. You know, future firms are not cheap, and if you're new to props, it's going to be a hefty monthly payment. True. A few things that left me confused was the non-rolling contracts and the prop firm rules. It was so easy to understand that the 8th grader could understand it. Yeah, my time has come. I will be back. Papito. Was a quick reclaim to go lower. Shorts still look good. London open is 3, if not mistaken. Let's not have this debate. We all know it's definitely at 3, end of March. Believe me, let's not have this debate. I've had this debate. I've literally put a poll up, and you know, it was a 50-50 about, because daylight saving shifted, chaos. So I try I'm Switzerland. Maybe it opened there, maybe it opened now. I don't know. Either way, 4 a.m. has a big reaction. So if it means that it was London open now, cool. If not, it is what it is. Oh, OTT, why is that? I bought my first fund account today. I got a promotion for the price of one. That is so cool. Damn, Mick. Okay. Just tap my sell entry. Okay, nice flash. I have not had a payout, no. 200k accounts, consistent risk management traders, all you need. Market should pull down to their mean before rate hike decision. So S&P should be at 676 before 2 p.m. local time. That's a yeah, I guess it's a big-ish drop. Unfortunately not, sorry, young Verve. Not yet. Just a thing, give it like a month. Dallas, what's up? I'm trade today, just gonna watch the chaos. Soldier boy, that's low-key where I'm at right now. Just watching this going, oh damn. Literally, oh damn. Jane, this is why you need to learn how to trade for yourself and don't take signals from strangers. What up, Bob? How's it going? Never mind, tapped out. Oh, sorry, Flash. That's okay. What's up, Bob? I was gonna be so cheeky. Graham, what's up? Where folks make straight copies someone's using it. What pair am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, so not a pair. Sleeping. Oh, nice. Why are you awake? Hey, no. Oren? What's up? Need a snack? Let's have a good day. I love it. Break even, always W, back in again. Snapshot. Andy, how no, don't worry, he's low-key. Wait, what's that called? Troll? Why is it called a troll? That feels mean. Ooh. Well, I guess these were kind of equal highs. At this point, Jane, seriously, respectfully, stop taking signals and learn. Learn for yourself what works and doesn't work. How long do you think it'll take until I'm profitable? Ooh, Shane, good question. I mean, took me less than a year to get funded, which is good, I've been told. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna be like, I don't know, I don't want to say anything that sounds like I'm being a little bit arrogant, because anything I say could sound a tad bit arrogant. I'm watching that level out of curiosity. What's up, Ethan? How are we doing? What do I invest on? I do not invest. I know I need to, but yeah. That's better. 5-minute volume kicking, finally. My TP got hit. Yay! The pigs, whoop whoop! Who loves coffee with less sugar and more caffeine? It takes time. Yeah, there's no standard timing to be funded. It depends on too many parameters. Exactly. Coffee black and bitter is better. Do you think your strategy will work better on another pair? No. No, I have looked. Not so great. Which pair were you thinking though in particular, Shane? What am I monitoring? So this is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? I'm having a look-see. Sorry, a bug flew on my nose. I wasn't just being weird, I promise. There was actually something that like flew on my nose. There you are. Anyways. Bug off. Anyways. So watching the Nasdaq futures, MNQ to be specific. I'm also watching to see if it taps back into here. I don't know if it will. And I'm waiting for an A+ setup for me. Unfortunately for me, so far, hello. There has not been one. Hello there. Again, y'all don't know where that's from. Oh, hello. What the heck? But this has been A+ though. No. Don't have fair value gap. Don't have anything. So that would not have been A+. Cool. Would have come back into the 50%, which is awesome, but not A+. Logan, why do you think I put them on timeout? Anyways. My shorts look yummy better than bull support and resistance. Who wants a short? I'm not so sure. I know I'm going completely against everyone else. I mean, it has been going short just oh so slowly. Could be continuation. I mean, London tends to be continuation, so maybe it's just doing a bit of a liquidity sweep before it drops down lower. I am not... Yeah, I'm not 100% convinced. I think this could potentially keep going back up. Again, I know that's going completely against everyone, and I could be oh so wrong. Oh so wrong. I think New York might want to drop down. Took me like 2 years to get a payout, less than years. Oh, thanks. Well, I haven't had a payout, Thomas. I passed my eval. Yeah. Took me 10 months to pass my eval. So now this is my first funded account, so I haven't had a payout. I've not had a payout, guys. Trade cryptocurrency in very small scale, and I've never made a loss since last year. Morning. BF, coffee, and cigarette. Cool, I'll hold this 5RR. Flash Golden, you're still going for the shorts? Remember, there's a big market data coming out of the US today. I know, the damn FOMC is out today, so it is a bit of a risky day. Let's see, like I said, if an A+, wait a second. I just don't like the little wickless over here. Damn it, I only have 2. This is still not an A+ setup. It's ironically actually more of an A+ setup on ES than it is on NQ. Interesting. It is bullish because of the break of the neckline on the... Hey Len, what's up? Head and shoulders forward. But you're on trading, so I don't know. Len, what's up? Welcome. I was going to say, have you been here before? If you have and I forgot, I'm so sorry, but what? Welcome. You'll be set up with perfect entries enough to pass evals. True, still on track though. I'm rooting for you. Thank you, Thomas. I appreciate it. Your chart seems to be going downwards. Let's see, like I said, clearly I'm the only one that's kind of like, I think bulls have come to the party, but who knows. Good idea. Good night, Bob. I'm gonna definitely looks like bullet. Thank you. Well, no, 10 months of just trading. The nerves come alive. Taking liquidity to crash down. Volume sums up to Asia. Let's see how it goes. It is bullish packed. 167 should be tested again. Let's see what happens here. Oh, hello. Yeah, goodness grief. Move. Oh, that's interesting. Nope, never mind. Let's see if this goes back up. Do you see how I specifically drew this line? Would have potentially been a buy entry here. So a buy limit order here. Maybe not, like I said. Could just continue going back down. .22. I mean, maybe even New York high, but that feels greedy. New York high. Oh, it's a nice 5 hour. Is this kind of what you have? Flash golden? Do I feel like I've got better from 6 months ago seeing patterns of setups and price movement? I don't want to say yes and I don't want to say no, if that makes sense, Ferb. So I feel like some days I'm like, oh, I see everything clearly. Awesome, I've got this. And then other days I feel like I look at the chart and I'm just like, I have no idea. Well, I think I see things, I'm like, that is perfect. And obviously it just does the complete opposite. I'm like, never mind. And then, like I said, some days I just get it and it's completely on point. Everything I say is going to happen, happens. But I guess that's the fun with the charts. It very quickly humbles you. Very quickly. Whoever was in that trade would have maybe fainted. Oh, gosh, that is hilarious. Big up still on yes, thanks for being live too. Oh, what's up? How you doing? This was last into 159. Yeah, kind of sweep I'm looking for though. Oh no, sorry, Flash. Palms will be burned if you're holding. Let's see, going to enter in the middle of 25100 previous doji. Unless I'm in long from end of first 50 minute of London Open. Target's still 150. Damn, okay. You're on a mission. I love it. Let's see if they're going to switch bearish. A stereotypical shape. What time frame am I using for buyer? So I actually do a top to bottom analysis. So I go daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, and now I'm on the 1 minute. And I tend to stay on the 1 minute. I do jump betwixt the 5 and 15. I do sometimes go to the 1 hour as well, but yeah, it tends to be the 5 and 15. I mean, that's still a decent rejection off of this. Actually. Just still a decent. Okay. I could be wrong. I could be oh so wrong. The only thing I'm not loving is the huge top wicks here. the only thing I'm a bit like, this could go back down. But on the 15, ironically, this was an A+ setup on the 15 minute. One, two, three. Yeah, this was an A+ on the 15 minute. How does it look on the 5 minute? Oh, this is the 5 minute. I'm lying. It was an A+ on the 5 minute. I didn't look at the 15. Oh, the 15 looks disgusting today. Okay, I mean the 5 minute looked good. 15 just looks like trash. Let's see if either of these would have worked, but yeah. Okay, maybe not. Maybe completely wrong. Yeah. Mate, you think this is going to TP? It's kind of hovering that fair value gap. What's the bias right now? Bullish, bearish? Oh, it's a 50-50, which is not great. Shorts will pay. Are you using 61.8 or 50% fib? 50% fib. Darren, what's up? Well, actually, it's a GAN box. Good, sweep lower at the moment. Moment you said sell entry. The star's pumping up. Oh gosh. I mean, these are better wicks happening here right now. These are better. Shoot, man. What time is it? 3. Five minute was solid for this trade, but the 15 minute looks disgusting. I'm trying to decide if I should take this, but in the same breath, I feel like it's also too late to take this. Entry is good, it will TP. Like I said, I didn't actually take this. Pity. I'll send you my PayPal match. This alternate afternoon is what am I trading now? Still Nasdaq futures. I think it's too late to take it. I agree. Like I said, it was really good on the 5 minute. It's not good on the 1 minute though. Can I use my 1 minute for execution? No, stick with A+. It has to be A+ on the 1 minute as well. It's not A+ on the 1 minute, so leave it alone. I'm forward testing something there. That's fine. Just stay hands off, leave it alone. Meh? Soldier boy, meh? What do you mean meh? Waiting here now, I want to decide if I don't hit stop loss. Where do you think your strategy is breaking down? What part of it has ended you up in drawdown? Shaki, I don't even know. I think it... I don't even want to know. I don't even know if it's the volatility or what it is. It's just, it's not respecting the confluences as much as it used to. And if it does, it sometimes just wicks past them. So I guess it is volatility that's been happening recently. It just wicks past them. Do you know how often it's taken me out at stop loss, which I guess theoretically then maybe I should just try, you know, stop loss as entry situation. Yeah. They just haven't been respecting the confluences as much as they used to. Like, there's been some trades where it would go into my entry and then just go straight to TP. And recently it just has not been respecting them that well. That's... Yeah, that's it, I guess. Which is why I'm trying to gauge. Like I said, on the 5 minute, this is technically an A+ setup. And I stopped respecting it. I realized something new in chart reading while watching. It didn't dawn on me until you said 15-minute time frame. Looks like. You're welcome, Kiriko. What did you realize? I'm not responsible for just your payment by PayPal. That is hilarious. Unfortunately, I find it looks too choppy. 3 minute and 50-minute help. My time frame high reliability of low. Like I said, the 5 minute looked good. 1 minute does not look good, which then makes me a little bit... I know it should theoretically respect the 5 minute better. Let's watch it on the 5 minute quickly. See, the 5 minute has the fair value gap. It has this little bit of an order block at the bottom here. What else did it have? Oh, it also had this volume imbalance, which it had been respecting. You can see it kept... Didn't want to break below on the 5 minute. But... I mean, we still have 2.5 minutes to go. Yes, it had 4. It also had the bob level here. Sometimes it likes to reject off of this bob level. Whoop! There it goes. Like I said, the confluences I'm seeing, it respects it, just not as much. So maybe my problem is just I keep getting the wrong bias, but the problem is the direction it's going. I don't get A+ setups. So I'm talking through what I'm thinking. How, Leo? Thoughts on 5 minutes. Flash gold and not financial advice yet. Leave trading price probably gonna range till Friday. Till then it's this speculative market. Oh, also FOMC today. Let's just be real. Huh, there we go. It is kind of rejecting off of there now. See if it continues to reject. Not being theoretically, yeah. Like I said, I've been watching them. They used to be respected. Again, used to. Like I said, markets change, you have to adapt. It is what it is. Where's my opinion? Mate says bias is good, it will TP, set and forget. Got me the T. Nice, Hammer. What did you get? It's still not really respecting that level I wanted to. Speed viral moments. Market never respects you, although we do. I appreciate that. That was flattering. See, that would have hit stop loss. I had my 3 confluences. Well, stop loss on my... See. Further, tapped into the 4 AM open. It's gonna reject off the 4 AM. We're gonna continue off of that. Let's see. I only drink the Earl Grey. A decent rejection. Short. The mean version of bearish move, in my opinion. Interesting. Bounty market is also dangerous to trade, although we love watching them. But that's RC. Neither of the things I was looking at would have worked out. Back to the one. Let's check this out here. straight up BIM. Maybe, no. That was entry. Nothing good there. Okay. That would not have worked. This is a different thing I'm watching, just by the way, so that's why I'm gonna just delete that. I'm just specifically watching this. Tapped into the 4 AM open. What time is it? Oh, it's 4:30. Okay. Sometimes I don't get my brain up here and my Clue friend sends me some from KZN. Listen. Check up on your KZN friend. It's so freaking hot. Do you know today is supposed to be 31 degrees, real feel 36. It is 10:30 in the morning and I'm already feeling it. I'm not looking forward to this. Interesting. Madness 1 to 2 are. Today. Debbie asked me to ask. It's okay, she sent me. Of course, OTT, yeah. Debbie, go for it. Of course. Please, 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 please. We're here to help each other. If something helps, go for it. Russian is still against you. We love dips, great opportunity buyers, especially when it's chocolate. Did you just say chocolate dip? Chocolate dip. I guess you could put, okay, never mind. I was gonna judge you. I was like, are you putting like chips in chocolate dip? But I guess you could put like pretzels or something in chocolate dip. And there's Nutella. It's a thing. Never mind. Ignore me. I was just thinking about like dips that you put like chip and dip, and I was like, what? Your MNQ prices are so. Thomas, that's weird. Really? Oh, nice. Well, tell her that she's lucky because it is so hot down here. It's not even funny. Oh, before I forget, guys, OTT, are you still here? Short 24500. NQA, not NQH. If we close the day in profit, can we get a short clip of your horse riding post on your channel? Sure. Sure thing. I to be fair. Oh, I didn't even look the other day. Sorry, Explorer even asked. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna do this one last time. OTT, guess what? It's happening. It's happening. I'm going shark cage diving on Sunday. I made a promise ages ago for, was it 1,000 subscribers? It was for 1,000 subscribers, but it's happening. Oh, I think I told you yesterday. I'm sorry, I got all excited to tell you, and I think I've already told you. Anyways, I'm going shark cage diving on Sunday. Okay, wait. Yeah, sorry, I'm just quickly starting a poll here. Yeah, let's see. Is it really hot in South Africa? Yeah, well, like I said, 31 degrees, real feel 36 Celsius, sorry. I'm still trading what I use it with MF for entry. What am I trading? What's up? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Do you want to go get eaten by sharks? I don't want to get eaten by sharks. That's not the plan. I made a deal. I made a deal. Take pictures if I can. I I have a GoPro, so I'll do that like a vlog style. Turtle on ice, train your calves. Why? What's wrong with my calves? That's a hard pass for me though. I'll stay on the beach. Probably because it's all over. You should be on June. What's up, Jordy? Good morning. Give me a second. I eat sharks. What the heck, Flash? No. Close the poll. Why? Okay. Is that 100%? I'm a terrible employee. Are you gonna get in trouble? Oh damn, okay. I didn't think so many people would be keen on that, but sure, I'll do a vlog one day. Daily chart on Discord, please, if you have time. What, do you want to see what the daily chart looks like on Discord? Ba, 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 ba. Let's do this shindig. Ugh. Okay. If the price can have a little bit more action, I would be so happy. It's just not happening. Jordy about to be unemployed. Rough. Damn, OGT, you're just here being oh so mean. I went diving before my calves were firing up. Oh, okay. Well, to be fair, I'm not diving, I'm just snorkeling. I guess it's more like a shark cage snorkeling. Technically, I'm logged into work, so it's whatever. Wow. Maybe the universe is telling me something, maybe, Jordy. But that being said, has all the trades been going well? Are we whoop whooping? Jordy found a loophole. Just log in and go back to sleep. Must be nice. Maybe I'm gonna do that. One day I'm just gonna hop on the charts and be like, have fun, good. Pass out. I wish. I'm one of those people that when the sun is out, I'm awake. So, to be fair, even if I wanted to, I would not have been able to. I guess that's 1, 2. The market's only giving me B setup. Why? Okay. Ready for London and New York. Oh, okay. I'm sure. That's exactly what it was. Thanks, forgot to roll over contract. Oh, Lavender, hi! Did I not say hi to you? Also, Kalani, hi. I'm so sorry if I didn't say hi to anyone. Hey guys! Lurk! Heyo! I'm not a morning person, and when the sun is down, I come alive. Oh no, I'm oh so different. I am literally, sun's up, I'm up, sun's down, That's why I'm a bit of a grumpy goose in winter, just because of the fact that the sun goes down early and I'm like, bedtime, goodbye, and I disappear. Oh, yeah, look, it's not so easy, but that's okay. We're carrying on. Go big short here, you think so? In the liquidity. Hey, look at these wicks though. What does this look like on the 5-minute store? Guys, I would just like some decent price action. Nice, that's so much to ask. Okay, it is FOMC today. It is FOMC today. OMG, it's FOMC today. Ah, man. I think I'm funny. Soldier Boy, are you a vampire? 183, 150 is a decent short play. Let's see. Just trade Asia. Why? J Wizzy? Shorty here and shorty there? Yep. Full port for fun and get this account going. YOLO! Screw it. You know what? Anybody use motive wave? What's that, Jordy? See, I don't even know what it is, so clearly not me. What that? Okay, I'll leave this up a little bit longer. I'm curious. I'm curious about this. Bam, 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 bam. Damn it. Is anyone in a trade right now? Trevor Noah or Fluffy? Oh, I don't know Fluffy. FP uses motive wave. It's got a bunch of volume and auto flow tools. Okay. So FP uses. FP, have you been here the whole time? Hi. Hi. What's up? You belong at 25158. Damn, okay. Ugh, okay. Sorry, this price action is making me sad. It makes easy but impossible to master. I always lose. So we have, no, I have less than 593. I wish I had that much. You have to pull port. I have to pull port. I feel like that's a very bad idea. So holding a couple partials taken at liquidity pool. Okay, nice, nice. Trade Delicious, what's up? How's the channel going? Is it growing? Guys, I don't know if anyone's actually watched Trade Delicious's channel. It is so cool, such a cool idea. Basically traveling and trading to get the funds to travel and like get accommodation, and then it's so cool. It's such a cool idea. Anyway, sorry. I'm a little bit obsessed with it. Full porting, never a bad idea. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, you're right, OTT. Why have I never thought about that? Okay, so we're just gonna go all in on shorts, right? Yeah, that's where we're at, just all in. Screw it. Right? Correct? Cool. It's 4:45 AM here in New York. What about where I'm at? Ooh, hey, what's up, Charlie Foley? It is 10:45 AM here. I'm not gonna lie, South African trading times are everything is during the day. It's not, you already lost. Have confidence in cash 10 tick move in that contract. Be right back. No, I still have breathing room. And even if I don't, I've accepted that maybe it will blow, and that's fine. It's going to take a big pot. Effie, is it worth it? And what else other than body profile is it helpful with? What am I trading today? What's up? I say trading. I'm sitting here watching the Nasdaq futures. Yeah, that's about it. I'm sitting here not so patiently watching the Nasdaq futures. Would this have been something? Not something great. I guess. See if this would have worked. Could have very easily gone and back up. Watch this now work. I don't know why it looks like Chop Festival. Debbie, I agree with you. Prolong the inevitable this is my funded, Jay Wizzy. I don't know why it looks like Chop. Motive Wave is worth it if you plan to use Autoflow. It's a great platform, but for Autoflow, I would recommend Motive Wave or Sierra Chart. What is the trading travel channel? If you go and look up, oh, sugar honey iced tea, Trade Delicious. It's up. Wait, let me actually get the proper name. Where you at, Trade Delicious? There you are. Give me a second. Funded Freedom. Yeah, it's called Funded Freedom line Trade Delicious. It's very, very cool. It's a very cool idea. I love it. Wait, am I trading Nasdaq? I am, Kalani. Why? Thomas, if you're not using Autoflow, offers can be found on other platforms. Also, I'm learning Autoflow slowly, but it's a bit intimidating, to be honest. I recommend Trader Dale for simple concepts, then see your futures. Wake me up when 145 hits. Thanks if you're very professional, boring you in, and that's what makes it good. Yep. Chat can be harsh. Oh, Thomas, you get used to it. Hey, look at that. Would have been a loss. Who was yelling at me, telling me to go short? $4.48. Let's see. Good rejection off of there. Maybe we get something now. Okay, so I had the correct idea, just wrong timing. Is there any word more scary for a trader than liquidation? Yes, that ping noise when you're in a trade and you don't know, when it just beeps you in and you're not at your freaking PC and you're like, oh my gosh. Oh, thank you, Jay Wizzy. Chop is the best to trade. Respectfully disagree. Doesn't work for my strategy. Recently I've been watching futures. What hurts more, waiting for bigger profit and then closing the trade and break even, or in the position gets liquidated? Oh. Speed viral moments. Probably when you get ticked out and then the trade goes and hits your TP like almost straight off the bat. I think that is worse than anything else. Just you had the correct idea. Perfect setup, perfect TP spot, and it just wicks you out literally by a spread and then it goes and hits your TP. I think that's the worst feeling. I'm back at work. Ah, Logan Bill. Moving around the charts. I got a song stuck in my head. It's I do not. Juicy trade me. Nice, Morgiver. Jordy, are you in her disc? He is, yes. You'll be mad taking a trade in this range. We go down. Interesting, Bella. Margin call is the worst. Am I in prop at the moment? Well, on a funded, but yeah. My strategy needs panic to work. Oh, okay, got it. So the sideways doesn't work for you, Hannah? Go break even. High bullish liquidity point. Madness. We will go back to the... Oh, I love trading so much. All the different opinions. Ah, crazy. Okay. I have been bullish. I know that's literally completely against the freaking everything going on. Sorry. But it is what it is. So interesting. With the bob levels, if I'd made it there, I would still be in this. Wouldn't be happily in this, but I'd be in it. Let's make it a 1 to 2R. Sorry, this is why I'm forward testing this. 1 to 2R. Okay. I see 2 Geordies. Yes, he's Geordie trades. I'm in a long. Oh, Thomas, I'm not in. Oh, but wait, you're agreeing with. Got it. You were right, just had a tad pullback. Only good move was an Asia price action been trash for the last 2 hours. J-Ray, I agree with you. Oh, so much. Do 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 damn it do. I feel like any trade I take right now is low-key a little bit of a gamble just because of this price action. Theoretically, this is A+. But it's so small. It's so small. It's so itty-bitty. Want to come back into there. It could just so quickly wick me out though. Shoot, man. That's not bad. Okay, now we go. Stop loss is still safe. It's a bad wait for information. Need to sleep. I think it's like this till whatever news event is in the session. I think so. But just do it. Jordy trades, the rest are imposters. Wow. Oh, I love that. Wait for the next 40 minute. Jay Wizzy says short. To be fair, guys, I'm still waiting for OTT's game. No pressure. No pressure. I'm still waiting for your game. And then I said I would play it live on Discord. But whatevs. Tapped into this. Oh. Damn, this is a proper resistance level over here. Look at all the wicks up into it. Tapped into it and went down. NQ $5 up, $6 down, $4 up, 5 up. Trash. You should. I still think you should full port short. The game hurts my brain. You know what? You hurt my brain. No, I'm kidding. Grandma trading. Rude. Resisting right there, you see? I literally tapped into this resistance zone right here. Let's see. Good kind of respect there. This could tap into the stop loss though. Okay, that's definitely the garbage man. Good grief. I've been telling Maya to pull port for months. She ain't gonna listen to me. You can stop trying. Can we have some popcorn? You know what? Popcorn would be amazing. Ooh, watch this work. I feel like everyone who said C. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm gonna shut up. I was gonna say everyone who said C should donate $1. But no, I'm kidding. I'm curious to see if this does work. If it does, maybe I should start trusting my gut a little bit more, because I did like this, but this is, like I said, this is actually just gambling. If I take anything now with this setup, it's just a gamble. That heard, it tells me you worked kitchen. I actually have not. I am really bad in the kitchen. I am a danger and a hazard to myself. Broker wickless, so I say up. Full pod now. USA Diary, what's up? I'm trading in news. Tap my buy entry. Ooh, wee, nice flash. Okay. What games do I like? Oh, I like a few. To be fair, probably my favorite game, but it's just because I'm a nerd, is Hogwarts Legacy. That one I played on the PC. I must say, I'm better at playing PC games than I am Xbox games, but whew, I had way too much fun playing Hogwarts Legacy. Hey, Nene, what's up? Uber? Xbox game. How dare you? What's wrong with Xbox? Alucard, how rude. Anyone GTA? Oh, trade Uber. Good grief. It's not PS. Oh my goodness. Okay, what about PC? Is PC fine? My favorite game is Days. Oh, I haven't actually played that. GTA 6 waiting. Seriously. Best off trying to trade a 3-candle reverse on 15-minute chart, and then when you get it right and hold for an hour, you might get 30 points. We need volume. Do I have any kids? Heck yeah, my little fur baby right there. My little dog, but no kids. Left trade using iPad. No. I don't want to see Mayo doing farm work or milking a cow. Wow. Oh, this is so interesting. Why am I trading funded accounts? Because it's my funded account. What do you mean? Super hard and stressful. It's basically trading. Oh gosh, I love it. Charles, how long have I been trading? 11 months. Damn, never mind. Well, would that have stopped me out? Oh, that may have just stopped me out. That would have hurt my feelings. Look at that. Did reject off of that imbalance, but rude. Like I said, anything right now feels a bit like a gamble, so I'm glad I didn't take this. I just hold my funded accounts as trophies, but then you don't get any payouts. I'm so confused. She got some big kids in the stables who kick backwards. Yeah, listen. I love him to be. Okay, no, that was not just a tick, so that's a little bit better. Hate the queue time. 6 calls now still. I guess the fur baby will do too. Yeah, he might be really good at trading. Barry, you wanna know how to trade? Oh, he's putting such a weird face at me right now. You not want to know how to trade? That's rude. Want to try a new game? It looks like so nice. Oh, into. Damn it, you. Oh, Skeletor, that was terrible. Hey! Okay, so a good rejection off of this, it just would have wicked me out. What does this look like on the 5 minute? Oh, oh, holy cow. That's a huge volume imbalance there. Okay, so 5 minute would actually look like so. Protection there. Check your higher time frames, people. Need to practice what I preach sometimes. So if I'd done that, interesting. That volume imbalance on the 5 minutes was insane. Charles, how long did it take you to learn how to trade? I'm still learning. I don't think you ever stop learning. Whoa! I feel like I just need to give up on the whole bull idea. No. Another damn rejection of good grief. I like this happening. I've server hop learned that tip recently. I just noticed me and high hop during the game time. I'm trying to figure out if you're Australian or British. I am South African. What's up? What's the hardest lesson I've learned from 11 months of trading? Patience, probably. Patience pays. Don't always hop in. With the patience comes, you know, day trader, not everyday trader. Like, I normally would have been trying to trade this, but I've now come to realize that if it's just not a price action that works for your strategy, do not do it. More often than not, you're gonna be cooked if you do that. So patience pays. It's day trader, not everyday trader. If the price action does not work for your setup, sit on your hands. Literally, sit on your hands. That's why I'm low-key doing it today, because clearly it's just not working. Yeah. What else? Don't strategy hop. I say that while forward testing other strategies, but no, clearly mine is just not working with things that are going on right now, which is fine, you know. Hey Nick, what's up? That explains the apologies of life energy. South Africans sound very close to us Aussies. Aww. Just couldn't pick it. That's okay. So you're also from Australia? I've got a few Australians here. I love it. How long did it take you to be profitable? I am not yet profitable. Yeah, just lowered your stop loss a tad more, but your bias was correct. Sorry, Maya, you don't sound British in the slightest. Do you know what's so frustrating? Even in South Africa, I get told I have an accent. I have been told 3 things. 1, no, you do not have an accent. 2, you have a slight British accent. 3, you have a slight American accent. There were literally some Americans at the shop the one day, and they got so excited because they're like, "Oh, you're both from America." I was like, "No, I'm not. No, I'm South African." And quickly walked away. I remember once I was at Mug and Bean. I don't know if Mug and Bean is everywhere or just a South African thing. Anyway, at a restaurant, and the server was like, "I love your accent. Where are you from?" I'm like, "Here. I'm from here." Anyways, so I don't know. Some people say I have an accent. Some people completely disagree and say, "No, you don't." So it's understandable that it's confusing. I'm also really bad at accents, so I'm trading futures. What's up? Great advice. Thank you, Thomas. I'm better with your own money. Your emotions are so different with your own money versus play money. What's play money? USA Diary? I mean, to be fair, play money technically is just paper trading. You're right to opt out if unsure. Always another trade, right? But limited capital. Hey, Sabrina, what's up? Love it. Currently logged out of some person's car, thinking if I wanted waiting for him to get. Hannah, if anyone's just joined now, they're going to be super like, what is happening? Actually, we can imagine you being African. Why? She's a Russian spy. Svetlana. Oh gosh, no, this actually works. You are you. Nice. Okay, then people say that people from up north have an accent. They have their own down there. So, Hammer, I'm actually not from KZN. I've only been in KZN for less than a year. I'm actually from Pretoria. I heart Pretoria girls. That's not how the song goes. When I first started watching you, I literally thought you were British. I would never have thought of South African, which is something new. There we go. You had break even. I'm not in this. Don't worry. You have a mixture of accents just like me. Slightly British, slightly American, and I do hear slight X. Thank you. Miss Cherry Coco, where are you from? Guys, do you know what I have forgotten to do? Disgusting. I nearly forgot to do butterfly of the day. Are you guys ready? We're gonna do butterfly of the day. That would have been so sad. I know a lot of you guys don't care, but I want to do butterfly of the day. Okay. Butterfly of the day. Got my butterfly book. This page. Irene's opal, or Irene's, I actually don't know. I say Irene because in Pretoria there's a mall called Irene, but Irenes. Maybe that's Irene. Let's do this. Butterfly. Aha. Oh wait, you guys can't see. Maybe. There we go. Oh, they're pretty. Not that. I mean, it's a pretty necklace, but that's not what we're looking at. We're looking at this butterfly. This butterfly right here. That's a terrible freaking photo. Why is it so blurry? Anyways. Okay. So, wingspan. Oh, damn. This is a... basically 30 to 34 millimeters. Don't care about that. Distribution. Rare in Fynbos on de Twitskloof Mountains. River Sonder... that. Nope, that. Butchered that. In Greytown, Western Cape. Greyton, not Greytown. Habitat, rocky slopes, mountains. Flight period, multiple broods. October to April, peaks November and March. That's about it. The rest was just explaining what it looks like, but I mean, you can see what it looks like. So this is quite a rare butterfly. That's cool. Okay, and now for its Latin name, if you will. Oh, you can't see it here. Okay, no. It's that one. Oh, this is the wrong butterfly. Oh, yes, I meant that, but it's fine. Point is, it is Chrysoritis Irene. Chrysorit. I feel like I always butcher that, but point is, it's pretty. There's the butterfly of the day. Back we go to the charts. Hey, okay, not bad. Okay, so here I would have had partial and now break. Question always is, do you go break even in chaos like this when it's choppy? Point is, I would have at least had a partial there. Funded accounts is like paper trading. What? Nothing really happens if you blow your funded account. Yes, it does. You don't get a payout. That's the whole point. Have you heard the nicknames they call us? What are the nicknames? I'm kind of curious now, Hammer. Have you ever been to the US? No. How do you find the resistance moves? 53 minutes left on current 4-hour candle rejected. 20 short waiting for the retest candle short rejection. Jerry, don't you think this is just going to be meh until later? Break even going to short in 4-hour candle. I've never seen a butterfly since 20... What? You haven't seen a butterfly since 2017? What is wrong with you? Then they push the irony, make sure accents come from living different countries and attending British American. I really didn't though. Oh, yours is, yes. I moved to the city and don't see frogs unless it storms real bad during the storm. That's kind of sad. Hey, High Life, we were doing butterfly of the day. Did I just have a stroke? Butterfly of the day. Okay, so partial and break even if I'd moved it to break even. Butterflies are good luck charms. Oh, that's nice. One thing I learned from trading. Never jump on moving train. It will stop, then get on it. Ooh, I like that. Good luck. I'm gonna find a movie to pass in time. Let the trades come to you. You all got this. Thanks, J Ray. You're a sweetie pie. The volleys. Oh, got it. Yeah, hey. Is it Psycho GG? Funded? Yes, this is a funded account. And as a 17-year-old me, imagine you just exist. You don't have bills to pay. Oh gosh, I miss it when my parents just used to pay for all the horsey things. Oh, thank you. Have any? No. I have not had. I mean, this could have maybe been. Yeah. This price action just sucks, if I'm being honest. So, meh. Just meh. I mean, even the freaking 5 a.m. candle did not do much. 5 a.m. shows. It did. It took out the high. That's it. Yeah. I'm not expecting anything magical, so I'm kind of hands off. Know what market works for you. This does not work for me. It's been 2 days of the market not working for me. I didn't take any trades yesterday. I haven't taken a trade now today. This is hurting my feelings. Just chopping, no 100%. Not a good time to trade. Exactly. So Dom is gonna go short though. Nice, Dom. Let us see. Maybe this is the short. Are we finally gonna break out of this consolidation? I feel like we have to start like playing freaking I Spy at this point. Oh, thank you. Sav? T-Sav? T-Sav? I feel like I'm butchering your name, by the way. I'm so sorry. I feel bad. Okie dokie. So a lot of people said yeah to the vlog. Interesting. Damn it. Just realized triple wood. Oh. Guys, I'm not even gonna be here for Friday New York session. It makes me sad. I have to go pick up my Portuguese ID and passport. I had to get it renewed. Sugar honey iced tea. I'll be here Friday for London session, but I won't be here Friday for New York session, which is kind of sad because I think Friday New York could be good. Aww. Session of 4 twice more. It's been 2 days. Valid crash out. Thank you. I wouldn't rush to find it open. It's the first time I don't see you stopping. Depends on what your definition of a scalp is, Logan. That's the thing. Can you make me clear one thing? If I blow up the fund account, do I every time lose the money? It's required to open the account. Well, you would have to get a new account. So, yes. If that makes sense. No trade in 2. I know! Cherry Cocoa, it's been rough. Wait. Ooh. Actually, a little bit lower would probably be better. Reject off of there. 15 probably still looks like garbage. Yep. 15 minutes sucks. Ooh, double wicks on the 15. Wait a second. Go back. If I take this for like one, no, don't do it. Leave it alone. It's not worth it in the chop. Do not take trades in the chop. See, I really wanted to maybe take this trade, but it's not worth trading in the chop. A very scary growl you just did there. Pay yourself a one back. Look a pat on the back. For a few minutes to no longer than that day. No, then I am technically a scalper, Logan. I am. Believe it or not. I know it's difficult to believe right now. But yes. Oh, that makes sense. Thank you. Wait for a new 4-hour candle. Okay. I had to talk myself out of that one. It looked decent, but it's not worth it. It's not worth it in the chop. Say it again. Do not trade in the chop. Do not trade in the chop. It's not worth it. Leave it alone. Not worth it. Leave it alone. Okay. Let's see if it would have worked, but that big engulfing mister over there doesn't look great. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. To be fair, I don't think a lot of people are actually trading in this market recently. Oh, no, I said don't trade in the chop. I mean, both could low-key be valid, but that's not the point. Wait till it breaks above or below, yes, and then get confirmation that it's going to continue. Like, make sure it didn't just break out to get people to start marketing in and then comes back into range, right? Drive me crazy. Retest, exactly. What do you want to analyze? I'm seeing bearish starter pattern 4 hour. Let's see. Okay, flash. Not bad, not bad. If this breaks out, creates a fair value up. Wait for retest. Yep. It's not looking very promising, is it, though? I think this is just going to chop until... Do you think this will still be chopping on Friday? Micro Bobby? What the... I strongly believe after this next bounce, you'll get your confirmation. Let's see. Yeah, like, there would have now hit stop loss. So, good, glad I talked myself out of it. Don't do dumb things. Don't do dumb things. The PW. I love that. I love that. Hey Tyson, what's up? Yep. OTT, this sucks. This freaking sucks. This is some chop suey. Wake up. Oh, I'm going crazy. This is what happens. This is what drives us all crazy today. Anyways, so how's everybody doing? Anybody get anything good from this? This kind of sucks right now for me, but it's fine. So, no trades. This is too choppy for me. It has bounced 3 times, so 3rd time's a charm, they say. I guess. SMYM sells my play out better. Ooh, interesting. Yeah, NQ's been fun, Tyson. Let's call it fun, shall we? NQ's been so much fun recently. Well, MNQ, stop. Past 2 days have been garbage. For you, son, it's not a nice shot for me. Everyone has different ways of trading. No, Debbie, don't say that, because that means that New York's going to also then be chopped, which makes me sad. I don't want to do... Sad. Please don't say that you think Friday New York session is going to be good. Please say it's going to be terrible and not worth it, because I won't be here Friday New York session, which really, really makes me sad. I'm good, just give 10 cents to the market makers at the moment. I mean, that's not bad. Did I always live in South Africa? Yep. Yep. I've always been here. I mean, I've been to Amsterdam and Portugal. And Italy. I have gone to Italy. Italy was awesome. Both sessions won't be chopped, there will be movement. Mikuave, yesterday both sessions were chopped. In that case, it'll be a trader's dream on Friday. Wow, just because I won't be here? Rude? Probably true, but still rude. No. Waiting, wahaha. My gut says it'll go bull, but I have no confirmation yet. You know what? I have been saying bull, but it's like you said, there's actually been nothing to prove that. I know, I remember, Hammer. Today will be the beginning of sales. Interesting. Why do you say that, Tyson? What are you seeing? Clean stop loss and down. Let's see, my stop loss left 20 pips. Okay, Dom, so you are still in the sell. Noise. We're buying now TP 25200. Stop loss 24700. Son, do you have negative R's? By a lot? Are we looking at the same chart? There were clean moves at... Then maybe we're not. I disagree. Wait, what time during New York? Is that my stop loss? Is that a triple bottom? It kind of looks like it, huh? Da-da-da-bum. 724. That wasn't bad. Let's see. Probably broke here. Broke there. Let's just make sure this wasn't a fake out. Your TP is bob level down. Hey! Goody vibe? Goody vibe is a goody vibe. What's up? Cherry Coco, you think a fake out? I think this is very frustrating. That's what I think this is. But we continue. 9:50 a.m. EST. So 950. Okay, if you caught it, yeah. Nothing for me with regards to A+ setups though. But again, that's just mine. With my, that being said, wait. Guess that's where bias gets you. One. Shoot. That actually would have been good. This one would not have been good. Got a candle, that would have screwed me. Yeah. Guess that one there. I don't know, Ollie. There was nothing here that screamed, yeah, I love this. Oh, I was gone by then, actually. Was I? Yeah, I was gone. Ooh, I like this. Nope. Little booger. I like this double wick bottom over here. This could start going up now. Let's see. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. But I like this. Apparently it has a name. Isn't it like Tweezer or something? It's barcoding on the 15 cents. I know. Okay, Mikuave. I'm keen. I'm keen, I'm keen. Do. Wait. Still got time. And it's not another conflict, it's just something that helps me with bias. Interesting, okay. Lone Liman, what's up? Clean retest. Okay, maybe I've retesting volume and breakout first. I said I don't mind this. How does this look on the 5-minute? Okay. 15. Oh gosh. Well, we're starting to push. That's something, I guess. Oh, this is hurting my feelings. Hey, Goldardo. Cypher Gaming, what's up? Cypher, whatever. So I'm cleaning up. What do I do before I add the real code to copy? Ooh, okay. News 30-minute coming in. Place fake trade on TradingView. New 4-hour in 30 minutes. Volume coming, let's see my short. So Dom is still set on a short. I still like the bulls. I don't know why. I've been liking the bulls. No valid reason, but hey ho, here we go. What's up, Cypher Gaming? Don't worry, I'm also technically still a newbie. How you doing? Made higher low, I'm going to make higher high. Okay. As in just the long position. Oh, what made me start trading? Sweet and simply, freedom. Be it freedom from a boss, financial freedom, freedom to be able to work wherever you want to, like if you want to travel. Again, that's where the financial freedom comes into play as well. Yeah, mostly to do with freedom. I was, you know, yeah. I can go into a deeper story, and unfortunately it's not like a cool reason, but freedom. That's basically it. They hold mine because we're coming up to value area high. Sell discount. To be honest, my first hour to have both sessions have been pretty That's why I've been too eager to get on straight away in the mornings. No, that's valid, Mikwave. It's been shocking. But it is FOMC today, so it does make sense. Well, next rather than just watch it. True. 5 for the Bulls, 0 Pretoria. Oh, Vincent! What? Oh, wait, never mind. I get it. That was...
Emotional damage.
And you know what's so sad? It took me so long. I was like, what do you mean the Bulls? And then I was like, oh, the Bulls. Oh, okay, got it. That was quick, Vincent. That was really, really funny. I appreciate that joke. That was awesome. The Fed decision today, I'm surprised the Nasdaq futures are up this much. Yesterday, position closed higher too. The buy-in. It's not me! Freedom! Oh, good. Watching along from work. Nice! What do you do? Oh, sorry, that's maybe a bit personal. What do you do? Is this NQ? Yes. Micros to be specific. You looked like this girl in Mr. Robot. Police investigator, red hair. Guys, is that safe to Google? Because I can quickly Google. Potential sell at the 970s. Let's see, most people I've asked that question always say that they hit rock bottom somewhere, reevaluate their lives and decided to rise up like a phoenix. Oh, that's cool. No, not even rock bottom, just hardball. Sorry, that's like Afrikaans. Over it, if you will. Like, as you can see, I'm quite nice. I'm quite terrible at setting boundaries. It's unfortunately, yeah, I'm not great at that, which means bosses and would take full advantage of that. So I would be working basically 4 hours longer than I should be, getting no overtime or no extra pay, just because they asked and I said yes, because I'm bad at boundaries and so people love to take that advantage. Yeah. So this was a way that I don't have to deal with that anymore. Yes, it's safe to search. Okay, wait. So it's Mr. Robot. Mr. Robot? Okay. Where's the chick? Who's the chickie? Where is she? Oh, wait, maybe we should just go to cost. Wait. Her? Do you think I look like her? That doesn't seem right. No, I was about to say that's not Dominique. Angry puppets and anime. No, you think about robots. Is it this one? Because don't got that. Okay, wait. How about we go back? Let's do Mr. Robot Policewoman. Her? Oh yeah, Dominique. You think I look like her? That's nice, she's really pretty. Whoa, she badass. Oh, I do not look like her. Oh, damn, okay. Do you know what? I was chatting to a friend and they said I low-key look cute. What is she playing? Velma, Scooby-Doo. Not her, but the live action. I've been told I look like her. Maybe not that photo. There we go. Maybe, I don't know. I've been told I low-key look like her. Anyways, who knows? Doesn't matter. Back to the charts. Let's see if this... Oh, no, we are going... Oh, wait, is this a very small bull flag happening? Potentially? Just... Buy a house from my village and go to completely avoid human contact. Soldier boy, I hear you. Advice for deep drawdown. Oscar King, I'm in deep drawdown, so maybe if you have any advice for me, that'd be great. I send other people to do jobs so I can sit in an office with peace and quiet trying to get a few trades in while still getting paid. That's awesome. Damn. Yeah, tell me something. You look like Thor's mom from in-game. Like Tina Fey. I've heard Tina Fey before. Thor's gonna get severe spanking today, in my opinion. Really? There is no spoon? Interesting. Online, excuse my blunders, but she's a bit no. Take a picture of yourself and ask ChatGPT to find your double. Is that a thing? Hammer? What? Not Victoria, just doppelganger. ChatGPT can be diabolical. Yeah, no, maybe I'm scared. I think you look just like my... Aw, Debbie, you're so sweet. Hey, Diogo, what's up? Good morning. How you doing? I don't know. Everybody calm down. Because every time I make a big deal, people unsubscribe and it's mean. Oh, good grief. I'll do this and you guys will know what this is about. Oh, good grief. Calm down. Wow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell. Don't use your chat. I learned a lot from him in trading. I do? Not that much though. Maybe I should do a little bit more. Doing great. Just woke up and got full TP. Damn, Diogo, what the heck, man? Whoop whoop, that is awesome. Hey, look at that. Potentially something there. Give me a second. Okay, we're good. It was just my neighbor. I was like, I hear someone outside. In a fair tiny bit. Go for a quick buy. Oh. Is this your one and only fund? Yes, it is, Sebastian. So short, long, no target to be. Stop loss. I'm looking someone here giving me money to grow. Exactly. Exactly. I agree with that. Hello, sweetie. But it's all done. It's all done. It's all done. People want to say hi to you, though. Are you gonna come say hi? Hey, oh, your tail's going all over the place. Look. Look. I know. It gets so irritated with me. But you're adorable, so it's okay. You're down to like... I know, Sebastian. I'm not doing great, but it's fine. What am I trading on? So platform, trading view, trading MNQ, the 1 minute time frame, and top 1 futures, funded account. I think that answers everything. You don't oh. Big boy. Perry is the bestest. Guys, this price action is making me sad. This price action is really making me so sad. But it's okay. We will continue. Jordy, you've been awfully quiet. What's up? Have you taken any trades? You're just kind of watching in the background. You're now up for work, doing things and stuff. Because good grief. Oh, does this kind of look like a double top situation, making equal highs again before we drop down? what it kind of did here. Oh, please do it, Diogo. Do it, do it. Geordie slept in like a little princess.
Nice.
What's your risk parameter? 200? Basically, Sebastian, but I've now lowered it, obviously, until I get back into... I don't even know. Until price action starts price actioning again. Doing unemployment. Nice. Going off yesterday, we should get pumped pre-New York. Do you really think it's going to be the same, Dave? I know it's kind of the same now, but it'll be curious to see if it is. Yes, I trade through Tradeovate. Justin, yeah. He was all tucked in and then he looked at the time. Thank you. Another quick buy entry. I mean, I would still be in this trade, to be fair, but I just don't trust this price action right now. 80 minutes till new candle. We have double top. Let's see, I'm still in. You can actually spy on me. I knew it. Jordy, you got yourself a little stalker. What the heck was that? Don't have a dog because they're not my thing. Emma? I'm not talking to you. Where's my camera? There it is. I'm not talking to you for like a minute. How dare you? What's wrong with you? How do you not like fur babies? We're ready for New York. Nice. What are we trading? Nasdaq futures. Hey, look at it go. Okay, wait. My name is calling me. Be right back. I can hear her. I see not too much exciting has happened, but anyways, that being said, I would have definitely had a partial there, I guess. Double top. Actually, have you considered switching to MES until you back to 50% drawdown ban? Yes or no? Aren't you risking more by trading even MES? I know ES is a little bit nicer than Nasdaq, but are you still not then risking more? Does that make sense? Let me add, I don't like... Okay, hammer horses, I understand. A lot of people are scared of them. But, you know. The trading psychology, yeah, because I haven't taken a trade in 2 days because the price action has been yucky. There are comedians in this chat. Would you ever trade on the Tradeovate platform? I don't know. I know a lot of people say it's better. I actually had a poll up and I asked, and everyone was kind of like, nah, do TradingView. So I said, okay. How many R do I normally aim? 2. Go see the photos of my dog, don't fall in love. I'll try my best. I make no promises. Oh, he's so cute. Okay. Did he chew up your couch? What is he? He kind of gives me Perry vibes. TV also limited to 500. Trading and trading view is nice. Price action hasn't been too bad though. I've been seeing 100 pip trades at least once throughout the day. It depends on when you're trading, right, Sniffies? Also, hi, by the way, you've been awfully quiet. How you doing? I like horses' nose, nice soft. Yeah, true. As in use trading view for charting and put trades on TraderBait, you'd get better fills and entries. It's an option. I've never really thought about it. To be fair, Justin. Yeah. Just joined in, about to sleep right now. I mean, that's valid. I also feel like I'm about to sleep, but that's just because this price action is putting me to sleep. Oh, my goodness. How you doing, Sniffies? How's it been going? So, hey, trading coach Dan, what's up? How goes? How goes? So you say trading view sucks because it doesn't use tick data and is overpriced. I'm doing order flow with footprint charts on a new Indian-based platform called Go Charting. Amazing for volume and order flow. Interesting. Mega Teacher G, you're always down. Well, I haven't taken a trade, so I guess I'm not gonna go up. Being it, I'm good, Sniffies. I'll send you. Don't do that. I'm gonna melt. I'm gonna melt. Okay. Okay. I might be calling this here. Let's see. I might be calling this here just because of the fact that this ain't moving. This really ain't moving, so it's okay. Soldier Boy, potential long. I mean, if this was... This would have been my strategy, by the way. You can see entry would have been there. Stop loss, so I would have at least had a partial there. Didn't take it because I needed some more confirmation that this was actually gonna move. I did not really get, unfortunately. Sorry, that's not it. That was where the partial was taken. This is TP. Let's see, maybe it works, but yeah. So I would have taken partial and this now would have been at break even. So let's see if this would have tapped into break even at least. Done, let's go broken under 0 zone. I need a welding helmet for all this welding the market is doing right now. Hammer? Also, I've never heard anyone call it welding. That's interesting. Buy entry 940. 940? Oh, okay, cool. Soldier Boy, meh. What do you mean, meh? Meh. See, now we've created a fair value gap here. What is this like on the file? Okay. $15-minute. Oh, this looks like it could slowly start going up. Slowly being the key word here. Oh, so slowly. First we go take liquidity down. I need a crack in the world. Yep. Seriously, I've never heard anyone refer to it as welding. That's interesting. Interesting. Mega Teacher G, what? $4 could be pump dumped near 2500. Sorry, I'm playing with the shell. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Seriously? Just seriously. Seriously. Let's go to sleep. Wish you the best. See you. You would say look for sells around 970. Interesting. Foots? Yes, you said foots. Go to sleep. Who's foots? I'm so confused. You said foots? Huh? Okay, I'm gonna call it. My entry is solid. Well. Let's... Not even in this, so it's fine. I'm gonna call it. I'm calling it. I'm calling it. Because, oh my goodness. Okay. I'm calling it there because good grief. Just good grief. That's all I can say right now. Making me sad. So. Hey Erwin, what's up? Sorry, I'm about to leave. I hope you guys have an amazing day. If you're trading this, good luck. Yeah, not a great day for me. This is not the price action I like. I know it's some price action everyone else likes. Not me personally. So, like I said, I'm gonna head off. FOMC is later. Maybe we get something for New York. Fingers crossed. Maybe New York brings something amazing. So I will be back. New York Open. Let's do this. Maybe we get some amazing trades. Fingers crossed. I love you guys. I will then see you for New York. Yeah, if not, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, trade safe. I love you guys madly. If you guys want discounts, you can use my code. Yeah, okay, that's